Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a way to grab the best possible deal on Hostinger in 2025, then you've just struck gold. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of secret Hostinger coupon codes that most people don't even know about. And I'll also reveal where you can always find the most up-to-date discount link so you never overpay. Now, before we jump in, why even choose Hostinger? Hostinger is hands down one of the most affordable and reliable web hosting providers out there. Whether you're starting a blog, building an e-commerce store, or launching a business website, you don't want to blow your entire budget on hosting. And that's exactly where these coupon codes come in, because I'm going to help you save some serious cash. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Here are a few working coupon codes you can use right now. Host 25 save. This gives you an extra 25% off on top of ongoing sales. Fast 50 host. Perfect. If you're grabbing a 12-month plan, this one can slash up to 50% off selected hosting packages. Start 10 now, a smaller one, but still useful. It gets you 10% off any plan instantly. Build 30 deal. Extra 30% discount if you're going for a VPS or cloud hosting. Now, keep in mind, coupon codes change all the time, and not every code stays valid for long. That's why, instead of wasting time hunting expired codes, I've put a special link in the description below. That's the most updated Hostinger discount page where you'll always find the current best promo codes and deals available for 2025. And here's the best part. When you use my link, you're not only getting the lowest possible price, but you're also supporting this channel, so I can keep bringing you more money-saving hacks and insider deals. Win-win, right? So here's what I recommend. Grab one of the codes I just shared, but before you finalize your checkout, click the link in the description to make sure you're getting the maximum discount available right now. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with the code that worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more secret coupon hacks and affiliate deals every single week. Thanks for watching.